All right, we are doing an O2 sensor today. Hope you can see it. O2 sensor's right here. I've already unplugged it from the top. There's a little seal, pops out. You can bring the wiring harness through right here. First thing I'm gonna do is cut these wires off. We're replacing the O2 sensor. There we go. I've brought the exhaust down a little. Took the bushings out. I've got a bar keeping it down because this O2 sensor almost touches the body. You need a little bit of room. We've got our 7/8 wrench. With that wiring harness off, we can now put our 7/8 wrench right over it. So your best friend in this job is heat. I've got the oxyacetylene torches. You can use propane, MAP gas, whatever you gotta do to heat them up. But that's what we wanna do, is get it nice and hot. You might be able to do this without heat. Oh my God, that came out so easy. All right, do not expect it to come out that easy. It just does not happen. It doesn't happen, but it did today. Now this little bugger's gonna be hot, so I'm gonna use a rag. Throw it on the ground. It's hot. And there we go. Now we got our new O2 sensor. Make sure you get the right one. There's a downstream and upstream. This one's already been coated. You got some sealant there. Usually when you buy a O2 sensor, it'll come with some copper sealer or something. Verify you got the right O2 sensor. We're gonna start threading this one in. Keep our wiring harness away from that hot metal. And you gotta keep spinning the wiring harness around. There we go. I got an O2 sensor socket. But with this one being straight up like that, I decided to go this route. All right, so this O2 sensor was the easiest O2 sensor to take out that I've done in a long time. Usually they're stuck in there real well. Real well. You want to make sure she's nice and tight. There we go. Nice and tight. So whatever reason, this O2 sensor didn't come with that seal. So that's kind of dumb. It's got the right pins on it, but it didn't come with the seal. I don't know what that's all about. I might try to fabricate the old seal on there, but for this video's purposes, we're gonna click this guy in there, and then shove it back up through the hole. There you go. Change the O2 sensor. This was a really easy one. It was harder to drop the exhaust to get enough room than it was to actually change the sensor. Here's the complete job, guys. O2 sensor changed.